Alright, so as I promised, I would give you a finished look, although this is not the finished product. It's been a little while since I finished putting the beds together. The Utaker from Ikea, and that video was all about how to get the pieces to match up. But this is the completed bed. You can see there are two beds. They're the stackables. Wonderful. Love it, love it, love it. I haven't unstacked it yet, but it's perfect for what I wanted. It sits at the right height when you put the two on top of each other. And when they're lower, in this case, they would just be used for sleeping on. I am currently working on the pillow situation. I had an all white pillow situation, but I think I'm going to change that. I may go back to the all white, but I discovered that I can get some pillow covers, so that's a new project that I may share with you. But here are the stackable beds from Ikea Utaker. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sure there's an accent and everything that goes with it, but they're great and I love it. And if you're going to get it, get it. Make sure you watch my video if you run into any trouble about which pieces go together, because it's very, very simple. Enjoy, and I will try to keep posting. So come back, check. Brown Bear Pro, Brown Bear Design. That's the individual channel under Brown Bear Pro. So look that up. And if I have any videos that I come across that I'd like to share with you, I will do that soon.